guys, welcome back to Make Yourself at Home. I am Tata, and with me today, I have the food enthusiast and someone who really enjoys cooking, Natalie.
Welcome, Natalie. Welcome.
So what are we cooking today, Natalie?
Today we're cooking a very special dish. It's called tikka masala.
The other masala, but today I have a challenge. I will have to wear a headphone and then I will have to listen to the music.
Then you will follow me, yeah.
I will follow you.
You follow me.
So I can only see how you make it, but I cannot hear your explanation.
Okay.
But I will see and then I will write down in my note.
First off, to start the tikka masala, we gotta marinate the chicken first. Good to keep them in this kind of sizes so it's quite edible. Cut them into bite-sized chicken, okay? When your chicken is done, you put it back into the bowl. And then you go in with a cup of yogurt. You gotta marinate this for about 30 minutes, a cup of plain yogurt. And then you want to have 1 inch of garlic. So you just do this. Hello? This is very nice. Filter the ginger, she wrote in. She wrote in filter the ginger. Then you want to be able to give yourself some minced garlic. Mince it nicely. We go in with 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and then we go in with 1 tablespoon cumin. Okay, then we just go in with a bit of salt. Everything also we need a bit of salt. Whoa! Very nice feeling. I love bergauling with my hands. So now that's done, we will put this in the refrigerator to marinate for at least about 30 minutes to about 1 hour. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of oil. So now you take in your chicken. So meanwhile, you want to brown your chicken. You make it like brown a bit. You may think that it's burnt, but it's actually not burnt. Go brown. So then you take it out, put it on the side. In the same pot where you have all the flavors, you put in some oil, a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of ghee. So then you scrape all these. Oh, look at that, look at that. That's all flavor. Don't think that it's burnt. Can go in with 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger. Then we go in with 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and another teaspoon of turmeric. So basically this is the part where you put in all the spices. Then you put in 2 pinches of paprika powder. Chop your onion into slices. And now you mix everything. We put in the tomato puree. About a can, this is about a whole can, and then we mix. So now after about 15 minutes, your tomato puree will be like quite pasty and dry, and that's actually how you want it to be. The colors will also the colors will also have changed a bit, and this is when you put in your heavy cream. 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream. So let it cook for a bit, mix it a bit, let it boil. 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar. Put your chicken in. So you mix it together, cover for a bit. So basically you've cooked it for a bit now, maybe just 2 or 3 minutes. You have some coriander, we need to garnish it a bit, but let me just put it in first. Ta-da!
Okay, so now it is my turn, but before I start showing you my power, I let you see my note.
You write halfway, then I see you got more lazy.
Cut into cube.
You didn't cut that yet lah.
I know, I gave up. But you know when the chicken crossed the road, right? You know, together with which animal? You guess? Zebra. Crossed using zebra crossing. Okay?
So he crossed on top of the zebra?
Yeah, together I say. Put in the spoiled milk. This is the... I feel like it's the spoiled milk. I put all. Put the darkest brown powder.
Wow.
1. You help me put back. You don't stand there, do nothing. Orange powder, 1 teaspoon. You can tell this is sugar because this biji is smaller. This is freaking salt. Can you give me tips? This one you use sugar or salt?
You up to you. Producer can tell. Cannot tell.
I recognize this as sugar. So here I wrote sugar. Means it is supposed to be salt.
Sure.
1 teaspoon. And then mix everything with using this glove. Just now you mix quite long. I don't know for what. Add potato 2 spoons. Now that I'm a pro already, I feel the sequence is not very important. As long as I add all in. Cut onion biji. You know what's the secret to cut onion but won't cry.
I don't know, I cut onion and I seldom cry.
You make the onion wet. This one very important. You add everything in one.
Crying ah?
Yeah, well, why just now you didn't cry one?
I told you I cut onion, I seldom cry. Hey, don't cry. I'm so sorry I hurt your feelings.
You know, it is tough to be a
Stop
housewife.
right now. Thank you very much.
Now I want to add the tomato. Just now you put 2. No. You just now you put quite a lot. And then add half bowl of takufa.
Yeah, your
How-
hand don't
how-
whip go in. Your hand don't dip in like that lah. Got lah, okay.
Wow! I think got a bit of what you did just now. Because after you add the takufa, right, then this one become orange already. Orange color, I mean not the, become the fruit poop like that lah. But orange color. So this one you stir everything. Hey, why it's not cooked one? I got miss any step man? Go lah! Hey! Cover first, and then you cover first. Hey, this one wrong size. Hey. So we have waited for about like 15 minutes. Pretty sure the chicken is cooked already.
It smells good.
Just now I saw you chose like 2 pokok. So add here a bit. Yes, this is our taste test session and this is yours.
Yep.
And this is mine.
Put both and then we
Yeah.
try.
Ew, this one I better take smaller piece.
No, I think yours will turn out okay.
No, babe.
Babe, yours will turn out fine. Okay.
To be honest, I have never tasted
Tikka
tikka
masala.
masala before. But the sauce is very thick. So what do you think about yours?
I like it. Because I cook it. I'm very scared to buy it. It's cooked right.
It's undercooked, right? For real. Really, yeah?
I put in there, I like feel like the filling don't feel cooked, so I spit back out.
Seriously, it's not undercooked. And yes, that's all for this episode. I hope you enjoy watching this episode, and thank you, Natalie, for bringing us your skills
No
in making
problem.
the tikka masala.
Masala. Tata masala kan?
Yes. Please do try out the recipe and let us know how it goes in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next Make Yourself at Home. Thanks for watching this episode of Make Yourself at Home, and thank you, Digi, for helping us stay connected.